So we launched our Aerotech kit, right? And it has the cooling mesh, the Labyrinth System. This has been launched once. Okay. Let's see how dirty it actually got, shall we? Get you a good view. So I gotta get that out of there. I don't know how many times you can get away with launching it not having to clean it. But I'm gonna take these right here, these forceps or sutures, whatever you want to call them. I'm going to see if I can pull this out and just see how dirty it is. I think I grabbed something. Nope. Nope. Nothing. Hold on. That's what it's looking like down in there right now. Hemostats, that's the word I was looking for. Let me try these straight ones and see if I can get in there. They're just a tad bit longer than the curved ones. Still nothing. Well, that's really up there. Well, I've got one more trick up my sleeve. And I literally just bought it. One of those electrical claw things. It's got the wire and the hose, and you can shove it somewhere small, and then and you can push it on the end, and it'll expand it and grab. I have no idea where it is right now. So, yeah, gotta love masking tape and a pick. We'll see if we can fish it out of there, huh? I think we got it. And this is just one launch. Not too bad, actually. Not as bad as I thought it would be. I thought this would just be nasty. So the question is, how many times can you get away with not having to clean this? Let's say you want to launch this thing all day. It's your favorite rocket. Actually, it's my favorite right about now. But you want to launch it all day. How many times can you get away before you have to clean it? Well, I don't know, but this is what it looks like after launching it just one time brand new. So, how do you clean it? That's the other question. Oh, and I also was reading that you want to check when you do launch that this cap right here isn't inside there somewhere. Usually, from what I can tell, they just fall right out, and this one did as well. It almost looks like one of those rubber toys that we used to have, like those plastic bubbles. You turn them inside out, put them on a desk, and they pop up, little poppers. That's what it looks like. But yeah, that's going to come out, or not, because I put mine back in because I can. But yeah, it pops out. Forgot I put it back in. See? Looks kind of like one of those like little domes. Turn them inside out. But that might be floating around in there. You want to check for that if it's not embedded inside this. So the real question is, let's say it is too dirty. Let's say it's just nasty. You launch it 100 million times, and you've got to wash it. You got to clean it, whatever. Well, this is black powder residue, right? So I was thinking either brake clean, like gun cleaning stuff, or maybe just some water, some soap. Now, here's another thing. Let's see. I'm going to dump this out, see if there's a bunch that comes out. A little salt and pepper. Huh? Now, that's a good idea. I might market that one. A Rocket Salt and Pepper Shaker, huh? That's how much came out just by me shaking it. Now, if I dunk this in here, and you see how black it is now. This has got one drop. Ooh, wow. This has got one drop. This is a soap and a little bit of dishwashing detergent. Let's just see if this is going to clean that up or not. Of course, this would have to dry. This has been a couple days since I've launched it. You see just about how black it's getting that water. I mean, it's probably going to be stained. That's just probably going to be a given. I mean, but who cares? You're not going to see that, and that's what it's for. And of course, you can always omit this and even maybe put some dog barf in there, some kind of wadding, or totally do away with the ejection baffle and put a centering ring on the front front end, and do your whole Nomex thing. That type of mount. You can mount the shock cord to the motor mount itself. But that is probably about as clean as it would get, because I'm not getting any on my fingers. So then I guess we would let this dry. But I just wanted to do a quick video to show what it's like after launching an Aerotech rocket with the Labyrinth cooling mesh system. I figure I'd get you a quick look in there without the mesh just to see if the baffles all burn up or anything. No? That looks like she's ready to go again. This has been old Robbie D with Half Rocketry, and I'll see you next time.